what's in the new kit. So if you're waiting for the kit that was going to release on the 5th, this is what you get. So you get your crafters tools, some of our white twine, our Tapestry of Time creative cuts, packet of vintage tickets, our beautiful new roses in the lace pieces, Tapestry of Time laser cut. We've got the album inserts, which are great for obviously using in albums, and there's all the designs, or you can use them as card backings or anything, they're great. New abstract stencil, the magazine of course, which is full of all scrapbooking and card making ideas and instructions. We've got the regular cut apart sheet and the watercolor cut apart sheet, Tapestry of Time collection pack. And we have got a sheet of our Misty Rose cardstock and a sheet of our Cappuccino cream cardstock. So that's it, that's everything that's in the kit, and this kit we're releasing on the 5th of April. Thanks for watching guys, till next time, bye.